Alright guys, got a 2019 Kia Rio, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the key battery, okay, the remote key battery. You're going to go ahead and just flip open the hard key, and what we're going to do is we're going to remove this panel right here. So opening up the hard key like that will allow us to get to the very edge of this panel here, okay. So if you use a screwdriver or something, you can see how if you push on it, it kind of lifts it, okay. So we're going to lift it up at this corner and just pop it up like that, okay. And I'll show you kind of what this thing looks like here. You can see how it kind of overlaps the gap, and all we're doing is just pushing it up and open, and here's our battery here. And they kind of just pop out already as soon as you take that cover off, because these little guys here kind of push on it. Show you what size the battery is. The battery is going to be a CR2032, and I have a link down in the description box that takes you to Amazon if you want to buy a battery, or if you need the size again, it'll be all right there. When you get your new one, we're going to place it in here, the top side first, and then push down here. Again, this guy will jump out, so just be careful. Let's get the back half of the remote and just snap it back on, and you're done, good to go. Hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it if you hit that like button for me.